this is me, Katie, and I got some little pet shops. This is part 2 of the LPS store, and I just got this one. I just strapped him up just now. Yes, so he's coming apart like him, but he's a dog. This is a hamster. I double wrapped this one. That's what I'm gonna do with this one. Food ain't started yet. I need y'all to inbox me or something. I'm almost. I have to go to dance today. And I'm gonna be gone all this week. Well, tomorrow I'm coming back for fireworks. But I'm gonna be gone. And tomorrow you better email me while I'm at the house. While I'm still here for fireworks and go on vacation tomorrow. And I probably won't get to. I'll probably take on vacation with me because they might. And I don't know yet, but I see. Because oh my god. So inbox me, okay, people? I need you to inbox me, okay? Inbox me right now. Inbox me right now, okay? Talk to me, little message. And my address, if you want to send me the money for the little pet shops, it's 1013 Western Circle, NC, Gastonia, NC, USA, North Carolina. And so, and I'm not giving you my phone number on my email because just send me the money for it, and I'm gonna send you. This time you're gonna send me. First, you have to send me the money, and then I'm gonna send the little pet shops after you send your money. Cause if you don't send the money, you won't get them. Okay. But anyways, nobody ain't bought them yet. Nobody got them or them or this. Oh yeah, I got new ones. I got this one. My sister, she said she didn't want her store anymore, so she said that she bought them today and she didn't want them. It's, they're editions. They're special editions. My papa got them at the mountains. He didn't want them, so yep. I got 2 sets of one. They're $1.50. And so I got 3 things new today at my shop. So yeah, yep. And this little thing, I won't see like my birthday gift I got. I just put them in the box. So they won't wobble everywhere. So please send me the money, and I'll send you my little envelope. Don't forget the flash drives. My sister, some over there. I got different colors. So yeah, send me the money for the flash drives or the little pet shops, or you can give me, or you can do like a few trades. I'm gonna try to print some what do you call it, forms out for the little pet shops. I'm gonna try to pass them out around the I'm gonna try to get them out today or tomorrow or next week or this weekend. I don't know, or next weekend. So I don't know. Wait, and don't forget this, the free thing you get. Anyway, and I do a special discount, a super special discount on July 4th. So don't forget that, okay? I do a special super discount on July the 4th. Don't forget that. For little pet shops and flash drives. And food and the 1 single pets. I do all the stuff. It might not even cost you nothing. It might will. And you have to see me. And I need the one trade for the little, for this one, the 20 pack. My boss, I have a boss, and she said that I had to trade with the 20 pack. You don't have to buy them, you just trade me, and you just send me the pets. You just send me the pets, and send me 20 pets, or 10, or 5. Or not 5, just send me 10 or 20 pets. Just do me a trade of furniture, or food, or some clothes, or some pets. Just send me them, or 20 things, or 10 things, or different things, of little pet shops. I don't care, it has to be little pet shop stuff if you want to trade me. If you want to trade me, it has to be little pet shop stuff for the 20 pack. Okay, I see it. 10 pack, don't worry about it. The 20 pack, I do want. My boss said we have to trade for the 20 pack. Okay, so don't forget to trade. Okay, the trade for the 20 pack is little pet shops. You can trade me clothes, food, little pet shop furniture, or a 5 pack or a 10 pack of little pet shops, or a 20 pack of little pet shops. It has to be little pet shops. Okay. Has to be different things, okay? You cannot get the 20 pack. Nobody can if you don't trade me. The rest of them you have to buy. If you want to trade, you have to inbox me or email me. My email is Carpenter. My email is I will write it down and I'll post. I upload it on the video. Okay. Bye.